Hi, I'm Richard Byrne. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the National Archives to find historical comics and comic books. So to get started here, I was tipped off to this by going through docsteach.org and looking for some comics in there. And docsteach.org, while it's a great place to find some primary sources, doesn't have a whole lot in the comic realm, but I did find this one, and I found this Batman comic, which is what led me into the National Archives, because I clicked on the National Archives identifier, and that took me right into the catalog of the National Archives. And in there, I was then able to do other searches. So I can do searches here at catalog.archives.gov. In this case, I'll do a search for a comic. And we'll see all manner of results here. Now, I want to narrow this down a little bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select available online. And then I can also choose the file format and refine it by file format. Okay, so there's PDF. And I just did a very generic search of comic. Now, I could have been much more specific if I wanted to say Batman comic. I could refine it that way. I could be much more specific in my search results, or in my search term, I should say. But here, I'm going to select just PDFs that are available online. You can refine it according to location. If you're looking for things you can go and actually check out. But down here, we can refine these according to date. So maybe I want to go into 1940, 1949. And so now I have PDFs that I can get online, things referring to comics between 1940 and 1949. So there's a little comic. Let's pick that one. And we'll see, oh, there it is. And I can tab through this. We can scroll down here. We can grab the PDF if we want to grab that PDF. Now, some other ones that I've found. I found this Smokey Bear Nature Stories in comic book format from 1959. You can see the tag there, 1959. Cartoon, comic book, comics. See all those tags there, so I have that tag. Maybe I want to go back here. Now just hit comic book. And that now just launched into a search in the National Archives for comic books. Or a comic book, I should say. So you can see why using comic would have been a little bit more useful. There's our Batman comic book. And we can see that in its entirety right there. See, there's a little option to download that, and we can go back over here, look at our tags of Batman and comic, click on comic, and launch into another search on comic. So that's how you can use the National Archives. Go to catalog.archives.gov to find some historical comics. As always, for more tips and tricks like this, please check out freetechforteachers.com and practicaledtech.com.